Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted channel for honest product breakdowns and smart recommendations. In today's video, we're reviewing what we believe is the best Thanksgiving roasting pan with rack, the stainless steel roaster and rack by Pendeford Housewares. This 30 cm compact roasting pan brings a perfect mix of size, strength, and style to your kitchen just in time for the holidays. Let's begin with what makes this roasting pan stand out: its construction. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this pan is designed to resist warping even at high temperatures. That means you'll get reliable performance whether you're roasting a juicy chicken, a seasoned leg of lamb, or an entire tray of veggies. Its polished finish not only gives it a sleek, professional look but also makes it durable and easier to clean after big holiday meals. Now let's talk about size. Measuring 30 cm in length, 23 cm in width, and 5 cm deep, this pan is ideal for smaller cuts of meat in intimate gatherings. It's a great fit for compact kitchens or smaller ovens, and its versatility makes it perfect for everything from weekday roasting to festive dinners. The 5 cm depth helps hold in juices and sauces without risking overflow, and the size makes storage easy too. This pan is also oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and yes, it's dishwasher safe, which is a lifesaver after a long day of cooking and hosting. But what sets this apart is that it's not just oven safe, it's also hob compatible. So, if your recipe starts on the stovetop, for example, searing meat or reducing a sauce, you can do it all in the same pan before sliding it straight into the oven. Let's not forget the included roasting rack. This removable rack elevates your food, allowing hot air to circulate underneath. That means even browning, crispier skins, and a healthier result, since excess fat drips away and collects beneath the rack. If you're roasting meats, this makes a big difference in both flavor and presentation. The pan also features heavy-duty ergonomic handles that are easy to grip even with oven mitts. This makes the transition from oven to table safe and smooth. It's built for both function and convenience, so even if you're cooking a holiday meal solo, managing this pan is totally doable. You're not just buying a seasonal pan. You're investing in a piece of cookware that can be used year after year for roasts, baked casseroles, and even cakes if you remove the rack. To sum it up, this roasting pan is compact but powerful. It's durable, multi-purpose, easy to clean, and perfect for those cozy home-cooked meals. If you're prepping for Thanksgiving and want a roasting pan that won't let you down, this one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, happy roasting and enjoy your holiday meals.